Hello friends, welcome to our channel Tech Point and my name is Nitin Gupta and today I am going to talk about Cognizant company information and I will tell you what does Cognizant do and give you some important facts about Cognizant. In addition with this, I will tell you how can you get job in Cognizant company. So guys, this video is very important for you, so please watch this video completely to clear your all doubts. So guys, let's start the video. So guys, as you know, Cognizant is an American multinational corporation that provides IT services including digital transformation, technology, consulting and operation services. It is headquartered in Teaneck, New Jersey, United States. Cognizant is a part of Nasdaq 100 companies and trades under CTSH. The company has been named in Fortune Top 50 list in 2017. So guys, let's talk about Cognizant history. So guys, Cognizant Technology Solutions founded on January 26, 1994 by Kumar Mahadeva and Francisco D'Souza. So guys, initially Cognizant provides application maintenance work for big corporations. Gradually it moved into application development, complex system integration, digital transformation and consulting work. Cognizant grew rapidly during the year of 2000 and became a Fortune 500 company in 2011. It is a member of Nasdaq 100 companies and guys, Cognizant has been positioned among the top performing and fastest growing companies in the world. And the tagline of the company is passion for building stronger businesses. So guys, let's talk about some important facts and figures about Cognizant. So guys, Cognizant is a multinational company. The services offered by Cognizant are IT, business consulting and outsourcing services. The revenue of the company is around 16.8 billion US dollar as per 2020. The CEO of the company is Brian Hampires. The number of employees working in Cognizant are 2,90,700 and the headquarters of the company situated in Teaneck, New Jersey. So guys, let's talk about what are the products and services offered by Cognizant. So guys, Cognizant provides information technology, information security, consulting, ITO and BPO services. These includes business and technology consulting, system integration, application development and maintenance, IT infrastructure services, artificial intelligence services, digital engineering, analytics, business intelligence, data warehousing, customer relationship management, supply chain management, engineering and manufacturing solution, enterprise resource planning, research and development, outsourcing and testing solutions. So guys, let's talk about some HR interview questions which can be asked in HR interview round of Cognizant. So guys, the questions are: who is the founder of the company? When was Cognizant founded? Who is the current CEO of the Cognizant? What is the revenue and employee count? What are the products and services offered by Cognizant? Where is the headquarters of the Cognizant situated? So guys, this is all about today's video and I have already made similar videos on TCS, Wipro, Cognizant and Capgemini. And guys, I have also made recruitment process and selection process videos on these companies like TCS, Wipro, Cognizant and many more. So guys, you can watch those videos by visiting my channel or the link given in description box. You guys can watch those videos by clicking on I button. So guys, if you like this video, then press the like button and subscribe my channel. So guys, if you have any doubt related to this video, so you can ask over comment section or you can follow me on Instagram and other social media platforms. All social media profile links are given in description box. You can follow me on Instagram and ask your doubt in Instagram. I will help you and provide best solution regarding any placement preparation, regarding any placement guidance. So you can follow me in Instagram and ask your doubts over Instagram. So guys, if you like this video, then press the like button and hit the subscribe button. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.